hoping that the noise from the lawnmower over there does not impinge on this video. Because I've said, you know, most of the time when people say, I hope you can hear me over that noise, you can't hear what the noise is they're talking about. So I'm hoping, but I think it's a little louder than what usually is in the background. So I went for a good walk this morning and I made a really good video, except I didn't notice the button that I pushed was not the video button, it was the, I was like double speed, so I couldn't use it. So you can see the pretty horse and her pretty baby. Oh, so nice. It was a good video. Whatever. Can't be helped, not meant to be. Not meant to be. I just had my lunch. And I came up here to sit outside again, my coffee and my snack. And I went back in for a reason. Oh yeah, the dog who let the dogs out came barking along. I went, oh, okay, gotta let none out. So I went in to look for her. And I didn't see her. I thought, okay, she'll be upstairs. And I thought, oh, the curtains are drawn in the back. Don't need that today because it's overcast. So I went over to open the curtain and looked to the right. And there on the middle of the floor, there in the middle of the floor, were some poops. She has this skill of being able to poop around her diaper. So the diaper can catch pee, but she's able to poop through the hole in her diaper. And she had dropped some poops. 3 little poops, middle of the floor. So I cleaned that up, washed the floor, then went looking for her. Asked her if she wanted to go outside. She said yeah, she wanted to, and let her out. So now she's inside without a diaper on because I don't, you know, 3 hours now. She's peed, she's pooped. She doesn't need to be diapered. So I've got everything ready to go tomorrow. I went and got my lottery tickets after my walk. And 3 of the guys were there. And they asked about what I was doing. And I said I was taking a cab in. And the guy said, I could have driven you. I offered. This guy is, really, really old. I said, that's okay, I'll take a cab. Now I've got a text into my sister-in-law asking her if she's working on Friday and that I haven't talked to her in a long time. If she texts me back that she is working on Friday, I will see if I can get a ride back home with her, because I'll invite her to my place. I don't know. I don't even know if she's around, because she was talking about a guy, but he was up in North Bay, I think. Yeah, I think that's where he was. Very far away, anyway. So, I have no idea. It's really nice. Raf, when I first set out here this morning before lunch, Raf came walking by. And he saw that because I had let Tanner out, and Tanner was nosing around. And then Tanner went down there, and he started nibbling at the tall grasses that are planted right there. And I said, well, enough of that, Tanner. If you're going to eat the grass, then in you go. So I shepherded him back in. And Raf said, oh, he says, he got out, did he? I said, oh, no, I let him out. But then he blew it by eating grass. Eating decorative grass, not grass. He can eat all the grass if he wants to, but if he's going to eat something that was planted, no. So we chatted a little, and this is the friendliest that Raf has been in a long time. Like, he actually started the conversation, and he came over and, really nice. And we chatted about the house that's being worked on down the street. Mentioned that I hadn't seen that being done yet, because they had a crane and they hauled the drywall up to the window and were putting the drywall in. Are they still there? Working inside, most likely. And so, oh yeah, they do that. And he says even when there's something being done in the basement, usually they cut a hole in the floor and put the drywall through that way. That makes it easier to fit in larger pieces. But whatever. So we were chatting. Then he. I said, "Oh, so you're working on your own?" Oh yeah. He says. And we talked about Ken, and then he didn't seem to be able to, that he must have a job, because Raf said he offered him rides, and he never responded to that. So he said by that time he probably already had a job. And he's not a big texter, and I guess, I don't know, whatever. So it seems like he's gone. That's okay. I'm quite happy with Hilton and the job that he did for me downstairs, because 3.5 hours, I don't think that Ken would have done that. I don't think Ken's that kind of does that kind of work. So I'm actually happy that it turned out the way it did. Ken, like, Hilton's a man who has his own house, who has a wife, who and things. So we understood how to make my place look good, which is great. So nothing against Ken, but happy the way things turned out. Wonder what happened to Ken. It's overcast. I have to, despite the fact that I'm here in my nook. Out there it's windier. Here I'm a little protected. So I've taken to sitting here. Actually, my first, I'm expecting 2 things to be delivered today. So my first one came already. The doorbell rang. The doorbell rang. It's so exciting when the doorbell rings. I can see outside. I can always see outside. It's a cam. It's a camera. That's what I wanted. Yay. So my soap dispenser and sponge holder arrived. I haven't filled it up yet, but it's sitting there looking pretty. That's nice. That'll be nicer than what I'm using. Raf's working down there. I think the wind's coming from that way. I know Raf smokes. Well, who knows?